In my 32 beer shootout, taking the third highest ranked, which is Samuel Smith Pure Brewed Organic Lager. This beer is from England. I'm surprised at how highly ranked it was, but then again, I've never had it, so I don't know. But I'm looking forward to trying this. And it's going against our third lowest ranked beer. Good old American Budweiser, adjunct lager 5%. I mentioned this was 5% as well. So, I've never had Sam Smith. Look forward to trying it. What does it say here? Brewed with great care using only organic malted barley, organic hops, medium soft water, and a bottom fermenting yeast. Matured at low temperatures to bring out its delicate flavor and soft hop character finish. The cold maturation period allows the bottom fermenting yeast and secondary ferment to improve this lager's flavor, purity, and condition. Before the days of refrigeration, lager was matured in underground caves. A European pale lager versus the American adjunct lager. All right, now let me get my glasses. Let's make sure I know which is which. Okay. Samuel Smith would probably be in a metric size bottle. No, it's 12 ounces, so same amount here. Alright, I'll put these right here. I'll make sure I know which one is which. Alright, we'll mix them up here. And hopefully I won't know which is which. I just want to go by taste alone, just to see which one I like better. We'll just see if this Sam Smith is actually that much better than Budweiser. Very high-ranked beer on Beer Advocate, great beer, against a very low-ranked beer on the same two sites. So if you've been watching, you probably know which is which. I'm going to keep my eyes closed. That's pretty good. It's got a nice, a very smooth flavor to it. Kind of an upfront carbonation and a little bit of a bite. Let me rinse my palate. Yeah. A lot weaker here. A lot weaker. Pretty much the same flavor, but it just doesn't hit you up front like this one does. In fact, it's kind of dull. I would say that this is boring compared to this. Whereas this one, you take this, I'm going with this one. And it is Samuel Smith. So there should be no surprise there. Samuel Smith is a good beer. And Budweiser is not a good beer, at least compared to this, at least side by side. Maybe Budweiser is better sitting side by side against something else, but against that, this just doesn't cut the mustard. This, I mean, it's got an okay flavor. And I saw in another beer review, somebody said that these have a green tint to it. And ricey flavor. Let's see. I'm not sure I really see much of a green tint here. fact, I don't know. They're very hard to tell apart in color-wise. Almost identical, I would think. Now about that ricey flavor. Maybe now that I'm looking for it, maybe I can taste it. It comes on like midway through. Not at first, but right before you swallow, while all the beer's still in your tongue. Maybe. But then again, you know, it's could be subconscious, could be something I'm looking for. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. It's got maybe a little bit of hop flavor. I wouldn't say much of a caramel flavor. And bitterness. It's got some bitterness to it. Not necessarily a dry finish, but a bitter finish. But this has got a drier finish than this one does. Or it could be because I drank this one after this one. So let's try this again. Yeah, there's no dryness in this one. It's kind of got a watery finish. So this Budweiser, although it doesn't really taste bad, compared to this, it tastes watery. A little bit watery. Other than that, the flavor is kind of the same, but this flavor is more intense. So I'm going to give this win to Sam Smith, and Budweiser is going down to the loser bracket.